CAMWorks 2025 is packed with great new features that will take CAMWorks users to an entirely new level. To begin, HCL CAMWorks has been officially authorized by Dassault Systems to develop, support, and promote add-ins for 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS. This means CAMWorks 2025 runs seamlessly on 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS as well as the desktop versions of SOLIDWORKS 2024 and 2025. CAMWorks 2025 also includes great new enhancements to the machine-aware programming introduced last year. In CAMWorks 2025, you can now include machine components in toolpath simulation with material removal to avoid broken tools and costly collisions. New options for automatic feature recognition of turned features has been added, and the Sync Manager has been greatly enhanced to help make turning and mill turn programming even easier. The ability to define the orientation of milling tools has also been added for mill turn machines to improve user experience and accelerate the programming process. In addition, CAMWorks 2025 now includes the ability to use ball mills, corner radius stem mills, and lollipop cutters for automatic deburring of parts to improve quality and eliminate the need for hand deburring after machining. In CAMWorks 2025, collets can now be specified for work holding on turning and mill turn machines, and the ability to add a bar brake chamfer at the end of a turn profile has also been added to protect collets and improve collet life. Some great new UX improvements have been added to the technology database to make it even easier to automate the CNC programming process using CAMWorks 2025. Take advantage of the latest state-of-the-art CAM technology. Get CAMWorks 2025.